ezemidlalo guys ziyasha today ndilapha eNxuba formerly known as iTrade Dock. Guys, ezemidlalo ziyasha during the Easter weekend. Today apha yi-rugby, i-football, i-netball. It's the 4th year now isenzeka le tumente apha eNxuba kwelibala lihle kangaka. Mayor, ngamkele manje kwezemidlalo azisho kuMamaka TV 260.
Thank you so much, ndiyabulela msasazi. Thank you.
Mayor, today silapha kwakho. What it means kuwe the Easter weekend?
Easter weekend is our heritage at Nxuba Yethemba. This is our 4th year. We make sure that we give our teams opportunities to play so that they can show their talent. Actually, all the sporting codes, because we've got rugby, we've got soccer, we've got netball, and the teams they have increased now. We started with less numbers, but now our teams are more than 55.
Wow.
But today, in this tournament, it's only 33 soccer players.
Wow.
Soccer teams, because it is only those that played in the league last year.
Okay.
We had a league of 10 months because we wanted them to gain fitness. We were having this a vision of calling the scouts to come and scout the soccer players. So we had to give them a fitness qala. And then after that, sibizi scout, ziba scout ebekwi performance good. They are confirming the performance nathi siyayibona. Kunzima apha phakathi ebaleni msasazi akululanga. Neza iwina le tournament ayizoyiwina lula. Nebiwinile ngakhe ngayiwini ngoku. Because teams is trained, they have fully trained, and the coaches that are here are committed. We've been here since Thursday. We launched it on Thursday in full force to say these 5 days we have to be here. But also the NPA Injustice is confirming less crime during the Easter tournament since we started with it. So sisusa abantwana bethu ezitratweni, sisusa abantwana bethu kwi-drugs, sisusa abantwana bethu kwi-crime, so that babe lapha kwi-sport. So it is our heritage. It has become a movement now.
Mayor, as you mentioned, ngondingena apha ngaphandle kuxinene like omama bakhulu bayathengisa ngabantwana lulutsha, even not only ezemidlalo, even the business side.
Yes, our hawkers, we don't charge them anything to come and sell here.
Okay.
We want them to be able to get imali ngezinsuku bethengisela abantu. Remember msasazi games zethu apha eXolweni sidlala emini nasebusuku. So abantu ke bayahlala belambile, and I think into kokuba by the end of which is on Monday, as hawkers bazawubala imali njengemali. Basapotiwe kakhulu, sisabasapota, and akukho mntu nomona ngomnye, wonke umuntu ume kwi-stall sakhe uthengisa into yakhe ngendlela yakhe. So msasazi, it has been an opportunity for business, small businesses bakwazi nabo ukuba encouraged, bakwazi ufumana economic development on their side. The community is here in full support. Basuke ecaweni beze up. They want to be with their children. They are cheering them up. Kwazi clubs badlalayo amantombi alapha abantwana abancinci. Kumana kufika otamkhulu nomakhulu egate becela kukhwazwe lo gama lalo mntana abantwana balapha because they enjoy it. Hence I was saying it is part of our heritage.
Mayor, before I let you go, ngomso silapha again qaba badlala abantwana bakwethu.
Mabadlale bazimisele, uyabona ngoku i-knockout. Knockwe out yagoduka. Ngomso sesijonga i-semi-finals ukuya kwi-finals zethu. So mabazimisele, because out of this siyafuna nento yoba ezazigawuti zisuka kumaZulu, kwi-Golden Arrows, kwi-Cape Town Spurs, bakwazi uku-identifya italente kubo. But bangadlaleli lonto qha, performance yabo to impress their community, but also to impress umsebenzi abawenzileyo ne-coach zabo, i-management yabo, and sinayo into ethi sinesakhono apha msasazi. Siyabakhuthaza sebadlale kakuhle.
Ixesha inkosi silakho libele kakhulu guys, imidlalo azishe. Welcome back guys, ngiselapha eNxuba Yethemba. Netball ngoku iyadlala ke team is in 9 netball. Next to me I'm with chairperson netball side inquba yethemba. Guys, Easter kumandi at trade or kushushu enquba. Bekushuzolo thule kuyabanda, that's why intimi ngwazi okwami kushushu kwezemidlalo not ngaphandle ke weather. Chairperson, Easter vibe netball yaqhuba on your side.
Incredible platform. Let me first introduce myself. My name is Mpumezi Jonas, the chairperson of Inquba Yethemba Netball. As you have mentioned that we have engaged in this tournament hosted by Inquba Yethemba Municipality, oyilida yayo ke uNoncedo Zonke, Councillor Noncedo Zonke, ongumayor wethu, the executive mayor. Mangiqale ndithi siya appreciate and we acknowledge that we engage in this platform. Apho khona abantwana bazokwazi showcase their skills. Also the development side, we are also selecting the players that will represent our municipality in the district trials on the 25th of April. Yes, thank you very much. Yes.
Chairperson, kuyadlala abantwana, as you just mentioned, from the street to emabaleni. Do you think that in netball iyakhula or ikhulile at trade or in
Ikhulile kakhulu. There is growth, there is development, as I've mentioned. You've mentioned that from ezitratweni thina ke siyithatha as ke from the background emakhayeni yamphucula imeko yomntwana nobheka nje ujonga apha emveni kwakho ujonga abantwana banxibe ndawona abakabanxibe ikiti but there's izikipa abazinxibileyo. It shows the the uniform, also the unity. So ichaza noba awucinga ubona umntwana ovela ekhaya lehlelekileyo. So isport ndisithandela loo nto siya-unifya sikhupha ne-skills yabo somntwana abe uyaphuhla. Yes, netball ngokuphendula wena mhlekazi wami, netball ikhulile kakhulu.
Lastly, today is the last day of the Easter.
Yeah, it has been a very incredible tournament for us. Sikhulile in terms of siyafunda siziteams khona iteams eziluzileyo but ke siyaziconsola ngelithi ke xa uze tournament you engage yourself here. It's not about the win, it's not about the lose, but it's about the development. You learn from your mistake, you learn from the lose, that it defeats zezona zinto zisiqinisayo. But ke however you have to embrace the teams that have proceeded. Sizicongratulate going forward as we essentially ke siya kwi final apho siya khona. All the best for good teams as they engage with finals.
Chairperson, thanks for your time.
Thank you very much, sir.
Well, guys, izimidlalo komziyasha nizivile from Chairperson sithi banayi today, yes, we might win, might lose. Sometimes just your development yakho as umdlali we-netball, izimidlalo azishe. Guys, izimidlalo ziyasha laba ku-netball ke after you have saw igame ebimnandi kakhulu between iKaro whereby they lost. Ntombo, good game man. I've got kwada kakhulu namhlanje mfondini koko ngushoot apha ufaka. Ibinjani igame?
But igame ibimnandi. I think first quarter ibi slow kakhulu, but the players they managed to go through and I'm so proud of them. I'm proud of Ngamu. No coach wami ndifuna nje ubulela kakhulu kuye. Nayo yonke into asenzele yona nezasenzela yona.
And by saying that unyanisile, I've noticed your GK and your GS panga sebegilana bedefender phaya.
But I don't want to lie, but Shamubona, they ukokuqala ki first quarter bebenga communicate kahle, but we've told them to communicate better. Then until ke bade bayikwazi, but as I said, game ibi tough kakhulu, so muthi funeke ba defend kakhulu until bayifumana ibhola because so that ikwazi kuza kuthi.
Okay, thanks in the win tournament.
Yes, Selvina sing top 3, of course. And I'm super proud of IFAST 11 and my coach and my players.
Sasha, thanks for your time. Was enjoying a show. Guys, I just spoke now with the captains of the both teams. Now I'm being joined by Nani. Nani, playing these games of Easter weekend, man, for your girls and also for the community, what it means, and also for Inquba as well.
It's uplifting the sport. It brings life to the sport and it keeps netball going forward. It also brings the community together. Also the municipality, because they travel from Middelburg here, so it keeps the sport competitive. Our girls get competition from the outside, from Middelburg, and it has been a very, very strong competition this weekend.
That's great, man. And also, when you check the level of netball in the Eastern Cape, your thoughts about that?
I think we are really growing in that department. Eastern Cape is growing. We've selected the teams today for the national teams as well, and I think that the talent we have is really showing. The girls are really pitching and showing up for the games and proving themselves.
The message to the parents of these girls?
I think they just give their best. They step on court and they give their best, and I'm proud of all of them. It's as long as you know you did your best, you've got nothing to be sad about.
Thanks, Nani. Enjoy the rest of the tournament.
You too, thank you.
Thank you, Nani. Guys, ezemidlalo ziyasha. Now ndizakuma kunye ne-coach ye-Fast 11. Coach, igame ibi-right i-girls zakho zadlala ziyawina. Ndidlala kakuhle abantwana bakho man. Wena as a coach, sesiphi into ocingayo that ufuna ukuzi-improve?
Yho, mandiqale ndizazise igama lam ndinguNtomboxolo Ngqalambiso, ndingucoach we-Fast 11 njengoba sekutshiwo. Abantwana akululanga uyenza le into, akululanga, and kubakho amaxesha kube nzima nam ndiphelelwe ngamandla, ndigive up, ndithi ndagive up but ndizixelele ba likusasa labo eli. Ndiyacela bangayeki le nto, baqhubekeke nayo le into, and ndiyavuya. Bendinalithemba bendiyazi uba sizawuwina apha, sinokusuka emetele size kwitournament sigoduke ngelise. So ndiyavuya nabantwana nendlela abandiphethise ngayo, and abazali bafumana abantwana babo ebe-right, abandenzelanga zingxaki.
Inkosi ke good luck for ezinye games ne niziwine ke please.
Siqibile thina siyi-Fast 11 singu-top 3 thina. Sifumene number 3 wilanko ku-netball.
Okay, mona enjoy go number 3 wenu ne. Inkosi va?
Enkosi futhi.
Ndiyabulela guys. Qala becala igame ishushu ilanga labe-Cox Trade Dog. Now litshintshile lesane mncebo ohlobo kushushu ngokumelanga ebezemidlalo azishini ngayo indawo. Guys, ezemidlalo ziyasha. Still lapha Trade Dog is male netball. Also I've just done ngo female netball. Sima, nabe ithandile, why guys did you choose to love in netball?
Because it's my favorite.
Yeah.
I love to play netball. And it's nice to be netball player.
Yeah.
I enjoy it.
Okay, enjoy. Ita, wamsusa nje i-teammate yakho nje kanjalo. Why caba umsusa for interview? Why wena uthanda netball?
The reason why ndithanda i-netball, ingxaki ndakhula nayo, and since I am gay, so I decided to choose udlala i-netball, and ndiyayithanda ke.
Yeah. Xa ujongile ke ne, yeah, nephi na sport umfuna kasithandile. Xa nijongile ne Sima, i-level ye-netball ye-males eSouth Africa okanye e-Eastern Cape injani?
It's nice for me.
Yeah, ne. Nona ifundayo xa udlala i-male netball abana apha e-Eastern Cape. Akathi Sima akayazi probably.
Probably mna into endifundileyo apha kokudlala i-netball kwi-males, siyaselectwa.
Yeah.
We can go somewhere uba sibe selected sihambe siyodlala kwi-trials.
Yeah.
Out of province, and loo nto iyasikhuthaza sizibone sise-TVini, and we like that. What else?
Yeah, also ne Sima kuthela Sima fundini thethe, and also playing i-netball obviously ne-challenges zenu as
Shy.
Theni?
Shy.
Ushayi. Uthi ke ushayi guys. Also xa udlala obviously male netball ne-challenges zenu, what are those challenges that you need the public to know?
Sorry, come again.
What are those challenges that you are facing with playing in male netball?
First challenge, as a male, we have judges, kunabantu abasijajayo, which is Filisha kancinci, very emotional because of siyajajwa. First of all, we are males. Yes, we know that we are males, but we were interested kwi-netball. Yes. And secondly, sifacea challenges zocinezelo.
Yeah.
Especially kwi-empires. Sometimes kune-favors, but it's just a game, and it's not about winning, it's about to select, it's about to move on.
Guys, all the best netball and enjoy ever. Thanks guys.
Thank you.
Bye. Guys, ezemidlalo ziyasha. Nisivele ke kwi-netball males la namhlanje up. As much as usimamkele, he's beat Shy and then Ita yena uyathetha nizibonela. Ezemidlalo guys ziyasha on myself ningayindawo ningecwaba. Ezemidlalo guys ziyasha Trade Dog. Still phela i-first quarter final now. Then ilento is lucky enough strikers have lost 1-0 even though first half they've pushed kakhulu. Kepi strikers played well second half giving you problems but first half that goal in top goal igame njani?
Yeah, igame ibinzima kakhulu yona uqala second half but first half igame yethu ibilula kakhulu first half sikwazile udlala but second half strikers besizama ubuya but ke amanje akwazi udefender so igame ibinzima lokho beyekho lula.
Yeah, as a captain what it means lo win namhlanje?
Lo win namhlanje ukuthi uthatha kakhulu because uyasikhuthaza thina singamajita because lastly strikers besikwazi besibethe ki final last ki Easter ipheleleyo so ke ngokuthi morale ingulu le kakhulu ukuthi so uyasikhuthaza.
So the plans players are going to the next game.
And
the plan as the players going to the next game.
Oh, iplan yethu uba sidlale ngokuzinikela iwesi final because last game esinayo ku tournament sikhuphelele and then siyayithatha le final.
Keep good luck there.
Okay, ngosi kakhulu butwa.
Shasha khona namne unlucky ne. Sharp. Ezemidlalo ziyasha ezinisivela from the captain of Young Blues actually. Is no lo win bala kakhulu since last year actually benibethile. Ush benibethile last year Rama good game man. But team yango second half man aerial balls too much.
It was a difficult game, especially in the first half because we have chances as needs. And also the system final third yabo set pieces then didn't convert the chances besinazo then they defend very well the first half but the second half they push kakhulu ukuthi mabasifuna ba protect lento sebenayo now they push very well but ke it's football when you have chance then you miss it's going to be like that.
And by saying that you miss chances then you get punished actually. Lose what it means and also going forward.
No, for us it's not easy although it's a win because we play from the beginning of the tournament then it's only the semis then we lost but it's not good for us but at the same time football it's like this then we have to accept then to the winning team then.
Okay, thanks brother man, all the best.
Thank you very much.
Sure, Rama. Guys, Lenas Vela from the losing captain then I'm going to be joined by the losing coach. Your boys played well, man. Especially last night came in high intensity, and then today nafika ngokusasa again. Nizodlala recovery yenu ibinjani?
Sibuya second half umsasazi wami but first half besi down kakhulu. Second half sazama pick up but siphose chances ezininzi so sisibethe ngokwethu. Ndiyayinika iBlues, congratulations Blues.
Yeah, your last message to Amachita going to e-league.
Sazama uphakamisa kaMachita for e-league but I'm so disappointed ngamajita.
Okay, sorry coach man, nisho begreen.
Engosputi.
Sharp coach. That's Vela from the coach strikers man. Disappointed with results zakhe yabona. I've heard the coach from first half boys zakhe. Boys keep the ball as pushing. Coach, good win man.
It's not good. It's not good because we didn't play the way we planned. Okay. That is why I say to them, you have to play, keep on playing because we are good when we are playing the ball. Remember, if you launch the ball in forward, like higher balls, it's not going to be easier for you to penetrate. You see, it makes chaos. So the best way that we use is to when we play to each other, do a combination play, and then we play aerial balls when we are safe to do so. So I'm so disappointed. But I have to say thank you for the win that we get. Also, that win means a lot to us. Remember last year we lost our owner of the team, Sinakuna Ngoza Nation. Now, from the start of the tournament, I said to these boys, Ndobana, we have to win this tournament for Nation. Nation, it was his dream in Ndobana Magai win the tournament. So we only get we are did it for Nugusinako, also for Mamake, no Tatake, and in a time in Ndobana Bazas join as the final.
All of Plagazwa man. Next game can be Manchester City or can be Iñati. Your plans for your final?
Oh, the game that we are going to play with Man City or Iñati is going to be the easiest game.
Wow. Confidence engaka, yes.
Yes, I do have a confidence in my boys all the time. I don't want to lie because of I trust them.
Yeah.
Remember, football is about faith.
Yes.
Before faith, we have a belief. Before belief, we have a confidence. Before confidence, we have a trust. So all those things, they are masters. They are mastered it. Then the last thing that we do now is working with the faith. So the faith is what we are looking for. Also, we are playing with the dreams. Each and every result that we get, we are dedicated with the dreams.
Coach, good luck for your last game yakho.
Thank you very much, Poto. Thank you.
Shawuhlekazi ubusilwa. Guys, from my side, ezemidlalo lingegqobe ziyasha ningayindawo silapha eTrade Dog azisho. Guys, bekumandi eTrade Dog sizibonile sagodola kwashushu kushushu langa liphumile ngoku apha kuazishe ezemidlalo si netball, we have saw netball, sibona rugby, sibona ifootball idlala male netball today nami ngifundile female football netball ikhona nayo. Meya Trade Dog never failed in the quality in Nguba municipality when it comes to hosting the event for the 4th year in namhlanje.
I think indlela esisebenzisana ngayo. First of all, you must create a mood where the community would love this tournament. Because support say to kakhulu community. If the community could not attend here, it wouldn't be having the vibe.
And also when you mention the community, but if you guys all living today, izimoto ngapha with that community you mention ayona.
Yes, bagcwala kude kube kusasa. So the mood we created ngale tournament, sign a buy-in ye community is what is making the tournament to be a success. Let alone the players who are committing and dedicated, the coaches, the management, but eyona ntsika ne roots nenqambo zethu community. I said yesterday heritage yethu le that we are building going forward as part of this community. So Middleburg has been here. Ikredok ilapha inquba. So when you combine the communities zethu out of 9 wards, bakhe babe kunye ubanike nje chance for 5 days. Yeah, and we have reached objective yoba sibakhuphe estradweni abantu abathi. The crime levels zehla kuthi asisena ngxaki yalonto. NPA and Justice baya confirm akulondo. Because for 5 days bagcine emabaleni. But the support ye parents also to our hawker stalls esinazo economic development through this tournament yenyuka.
And also nemadlamini abantu will say it's 4 years, but next year ngeziphi izinto mhlawumbe osifihlileyo emgqobeni, they want to know that next year siyafuna phanathi.
No, for next year, as you know, msasazi ukuba kulonyaka siya kwi-elections. So it is the end of this administration that I'm leading. So we don't know what will happen in 2027. If there's a new administration, thina sizawubanikezela ukuba this is the legacy we created, and we expect or we suggest that continue with the legacy because it has a buy-in your community and it is the same community you are going to serve. So sizakwenzela into yoba whoever that would be leading at that time must know this is a legacy engafuna umoshwa. So msasazi into ngezisemgqubeni zezokuba mayigcinwe kuqala le legacy, but also lento yokokuba mabathi xa sebescoutiwe banikwe support still government. Remember, they can't do it alone. Funeka sibanike support, but also next year it will be more clubs. Remember, sis restrictile kulo nyaka.
Those who play the league.
Those who play the league. And ngoku league izawudlalwa ngumntu wonke. So next year you'll have really a lot of ilantuka teams ezawuparticipate. But there was this issue that in Middleburg sport fields masizilungise because they wanted to go that side. Naleyo kuyaxoxwa i-administration that will be coming next year ukuba where should it be, but I've enjoyed the 4 years. As part of this team, as part of this tournament. I've enjoyed the 5 years. Actually, mina ndikunyaka we-6.
Wow, that's great.
Ndangena ngo-2020. So ndikunyaka we-6 ndilapha. I've been enjoying the sporting activities.
Thank you, Mayor, man. Sila kakhulu. Azisho sibula kakhulu, man.
Azishe.
Guys, nisivele ku Mayor. From my side, ulinge ugcwabe uzizi. Zonke izimidlalo azishe.